Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to build a movie recommendation system, just like Netflix, but from scratch, using only pure Python. No libraries, no complicated math, just simple logic to help you understand how recommender systems work. In this video, we'll build a movie recommendation system like Netflix, completely from scratch using Python only, no NumPy, no pandas, not even the math module. You'll learn how recommendation systems work behind the scenes, by comparing user ratings and finding similar users. This project is beginner-friendly and focuses on understanding the core logic of collaborative filtering without using any pre-built ML libraries. Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what movie you'll love next? Today, we're going to build a simple version of that, a movie recommendation system, using just pure Python, no libraries, no math module. Let's dive straight into how it works. Here's the plan. 1. We'll create a small list of movies with their genres. 2. Ask the user for their favorite movie. 3. Compare it with others to find similar genres. 4. Recommend the most similar ones. Now, let's start coding. Open your Python file, we'll build this step by step. Here's what's happening. We store each movie with its genres. Then, we check how many genres match between your favorite movie and others. More matching genres equals more similarity. Now let's test our mini recommender. If I type Avengers, it recommends Iron Man and Inception, both are action-packed and sci-fi movies. If I type Titanic, it gives me The Notebook, both romantic dramas. Perfect. So our system works by finding movies that share similar genres with the movie you love. It's a very simple content-based recommendation model, just like the first step of what Netflix uses. To make it smarter, you could add user ratings, use cosine similarity, connect it with a real movie dataset like IMDb. But even this small version helps you understand the core idea behind recommender systems. And that's it, your very own movie recommendation system built from scratch. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which project you want next, maybe a chatbot or an AI quiz game.